So I made a couple of videos on Palantir Stock already, and I've discussed while, it's a solid company with great technology, the stock, the ticker symbol PLTR, is just out of whack, out of this world, in my humble opinion. But guys, what do I know? Palantir Stock was up 21% today and is up another 4% after hours. Just a reminder, this channel is not financial advice. If you want to keep watching, you want to keep learning, you want to actually see different perspectives in the stock market, then continue watching on. Clearly, the broader investor base does not agree with me, at least not yet, and the stock moved up bigly today. And if you're an investor that managed to catch this run, congrats! Those are some awesome gains. I hope I'll be able to borrow your crystal ball at some point so I can get some of those gains too, but if not, that's okay. But either way, guys, all kidding aside, we got a couple of things to discuss in this video. It's going to be a short one, timestamps in the description down below, but these are our two topics. First off, I want to talk about why the stock went up 21% today, and kind of a concern that I have around this as well that most people, especially bulls, are ignoring. Secondly, I'm going to talk about a big red flag that I found on this stock. So that's going to be something that I haven't really seen discussed on any other channel with any other video regarding Palantir, so that's going to be something different here. So guys, smash that like button down below, whether you agree or disagree with me. If you appreciate the content, you appreciate the time I take to make this content for you, a like goes a long way. So first off, why did the stock go up over 21% today? So Palantir secured a new FDA contract today, which investors see as a very bullish news for the stock. Now, this essentially puts Palantir at nearly a $55 billion market cap. So we saw the stock really increase around $10 billion, maybe a bit more than that, in a single day on this news alone. This is big. This must have been a massive deal, right? Well, this was a 3-year deal that Palantir closed according to reports. The contract, which will power drug review and inspections, is worth $44.4 billion. Wait, what? Oh, that's an M, not a B? $44.4 million? So you're telling me this company increased $10 billion in value from a $44 million deal? Checks out. Guys, just think about this. The market is so hot right now. Any stock on any good news is gonna move massively. That does not mean it's a winning investment. That does not mean it's a great stock to own. Fundamentals don't matter either. I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore. Investors, guys, are they're just waiting for any sort of good news to push stock prices even higher. This is typically a sign of a market that just makes no sense, that, everyone's making money. Everyone who throws money at anything seems to be coming out with massive profits. Like, for example, today, you could have made 20% on your investment, and the market on average typically returns 7 to 10%. So you've more than doubled what the market returns on average in a full year in a single trading day. Investing's so easy. It's so simple, right? I don't know, guys. To me, these are big red flags. To me, this is concerning. To me, it just signals that investors are just pouncing at any chance to get into any hype stock. Those are signs that I typically stay away from a company once that happens. But that being said, if I had a good cost basis like some of you do with Palantir, I'd just continue holding. I wouldn't consider adding more. I wouldn't consider selling. I would just continue holding and enjoying the ride. So for those of you that are inevitably gonna ask me, oh, is Palantir a buy now here at $30 per share? In my opinion, the answer is absolutely not. I'm not gonna be buying Palantir. There's no way I'm buying it at these prices. But hey, the stock moved up 20% today, maybe moves up another 20% tomorrow, I don't know, but I am not interested at these prices. So now that we know why the stock moved up, what was the other big red flag that I personally found? I mean, apart from the, $10 billion of value created with a $44 million contract, there was something else that I noticed that insiders at the company are doing that no one's really talking about. For the last 19 days, ever since the stock started this big run, insiders have been dumping as many shares as they can, totaling over $127 million in value. Now, I'm not really one to follow insiders and do what insiders do, but when I believe a company is grossly overvalued and I see the management team selling out of their positions in tens of millions of dollars, These are people that understand the business better than anyone else out there. That definitely does raise a bit of concern, and that kind of tells me they don't believe the company is fair or is justified at this valuation. Of course, there's going to be a few cases where some of them are selling because they need cash or they wanted to like have a higher cash buffer for their own personal reasons. But when you see so many insiders selling so much stock that they've owned for many years most likely, that is definitely something that you should pay attention to and just kind of have in your investment thesis as a possible con. So they probably see it the way I see it, at least that's what I think. Nothing really makes sense right now with Palantir stock. The only thing that does make sense is to cash out and take some profit. And honestly, good on them. They're taking advantage of the situation. They've been at this company, they own shares, the stock's up massively, they're gonna cash out. Not everyone's gonna want to hold this for many, many years, especially if they're up millions on millions of dollars. They're gonna take their money and run. And guess what? I see this happen time and time again. When these things start to occur, valuations make no sense, stocks just keep moving higher and higher because the future is data or the future is whatever. The people left bag holding these stocks at the end of the day are people like us, regular retail investors that don't have insight into the company, that believe in the company, that believe in management, that believe in their execution. We are the ones that typically end up suffering at the end of the day, holding the bag, if you will, and I'd hate to see that happen to you guys. So whether you want to, listen to my view here or not, whether you want to actually go there, do your own research and figure out, does this really make sense today as an investment, or even looking out the next few years, does it still make sense at a $50+ billion market cap? That is something that only you can answer for yourself. I've shared my opinion on this. I've shared my views on Palantir, and while I like the company, I'm going to restate that again, I do not like the ticker symbol PLTR at these valuations. But hey, like I said, if you got in under $10 per share, congratulations, you're absolutely destroying it in the stock market. I'm proud of you guys for that. But just don't get too carried away that you can do this time and time again. This market is abnormal. We don't know how long it's going to last. So just be cautious. We're getting into the tail end here of 2020. Things are looking good, but usually when things are extremely good and everyone around you is making money, that's when the reality check typically comes back in. So just be cautious, guys. That's all I'm going to say. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button down below. Whether you agree or disagree with me, comment in the comment section as well. And if you want to discuss it, we can discuss it over a bowl of noodles in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to invest positively, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.